27 hearts beat.
What's up, my loves, and welcome back to another video. So it's been awesome here in Colorado. Come on in, let me show you where we've been staying. So when you walk in, we got this dope kitchen with wood countertops, with the wood cabinets. Bruh, this is a whole mood right here. The stainless steel appliances and everything is up to date. This island though, this is probably one of the best things about this kitchen. We got a dishwasher, it comes with a coffee maker, a Keurig, a refrigerator, and they had ice cream in there, y'all. So then we got this table right here, and these lights above this table is so freaking amazing. And they got them all throughout the condo. That is so dope. And then on the other side of the table, you got this little bench right here. Love it, love it.
Over there.
And then as you come in the condo, come on, yeah. We got a nice fireplace right here. With a paint above it, you know, giving you a whole mood. And then you come into the living area that you drop down into. You got a nice pull-out couch with the 2 reclining chairs. You know, you got the view of the mountains in the background. Turn this way, you got a full view of the mountains on the other side. Like, what? This is amazing. This is freaking amazing. With the smart TV, with the Blu-ray player, they provided us with all types of DVDs and board games. Everything was in here. Come on, let's show them the bedroom. Yeah. So we're gonna show y'all the second bedroom. And it's got 2 full-size, I believe these is full-size bunk beds right here. It's got 2 full-size bunk beds. They got a view out onto the patio that looks over the mountains with a nice little Chester right here, you know, just in case we want to bring the kids. But let me show y'all where the magic really happened at. Welcome to the master bedroom. Ta-da! Don't y'all just love this? Like, this is so freaking dope. It's got the TV mounted on the wall. We got a full-length mirror right here in front of the closet. And it's got the same furniture feel that the kitchen got. So it's so tight that the whole condo just all ties together. And then you come in here in the bathroom. You know, my favorite place to be when it's time to get dressed. And they did just right. Look at these cabinets in this bathroom. Look at the vanity. Look at the mirror. Like, this shit is dope. With the nice full shower, you know, the toilet where you do your business. And then we got a second bathroom right here with just a stand-up shower in it right here with the same type of vanity feel. We haven't even used this shower. Let me get in here. We ain't even used. Might as well get in here. But this shit dope. It's a big ass condo. All right, we can go out on the balcony and we can finish it out there. So this is our balcony that looks over the mountain. Everything, everywhere you look, it's a mountain. Everywhere you look, like, it don't matter. So fast. Alright guys, so that pretty much wraps up this room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had a great time here in Colorado. Comment down below what you think the best features is about this condo. And other than that, we'll see you guys on our next vacation. Bye!